Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. And also welcome to another live trading session with Raba Fx. Today is Friday. The week we close at the end of today. So anyway, let me know your performance this week, if you were profitable or if you are profitable so far, and also if you are in a loss. Share with everybody, share with us, and then probably we might talk about how to get better. I'm going to look at the chart. There's a couple of trades here and there. It was awesome. And secondly, I would like to know if the sound is good, because I don't want to be speaking to myself yet, not knowing that hasn't gone across. So let me know in the chat if the sound is good, and also ask your questions. Let me know the pair you would like me to touch, because I am here to freestyle. You know what is freestyle? You tell me a pair, I don't need to prepare for it. I go check it and tell you my opinion. Okay, that's what I do here. In the chat here, I see Joshua. Joshua, hello Raba. Thank you for your priceless time and knowledge on here. You're welcome, Joshua. Thank you for the kind words. Jamal Jiba says good morning. Yeah, good morning, Jamal. I think you are new here in the chat. Good morning, good to see you. Cecilia Tembo says good morning. Cecilia Tembo, good morning to you. And where are you chatting us from? Jamal and Cecilia, where are you joining us from? Joshua says profitable week so far. Yeah, Joshua, profitable week. That's good. You are going to pop champagne. Pop the champagne. Let's celebrate. That is good. I like seeing or hearing profitable news. Cecilia says the sound is good. Thank you very much. Also, let me know where you're joining us from. Jamal says good. Jamal says gold. Idowu says sound good. Jamal says chatting from Jordan. Wow, Jordan. This is your first time on the stream, or your first time in the chat? You will be on the stream, but you've not been chatting. Jamal, how is Jordan? Let me know. Is it sunny? Is it cold? Is it hot in Jordan? It should be hot. I think Jordan is in the east, Middle East, something like that, or if I'm correct, close to Israel, Syria, and the rest. Grace says, good morning, Rabba. You are so great. May God bless you abundantly. Amen to that. Amen to that. I don't joke with prayers. I love prayers. Keep sending in your prayers. Thank you, Grace. And also, don't forget, let me know where you're chatting from, please. Where you're joining us from. Cecilia says, chatting from Zambia. Wow, Zambia. How are you? I have a friend from Zambia. She used to trade. I mentor her. Zambia, Cecilia. How is Zambia doing? Are you guys in the Nation Cup, ongoing Nation Cup? I don't know if you're a lover of football. So let me know if you're a lover of football or not. I myself, I love football so much. I love football. I watch, I play. So that is how I catch my phone. If I'm relaxing at home, I will do that with maybe a very nice match. And I'm a Manchester United fan, okay, and currently we will be supporting Nigeria to win the AFCON. Edwin says the sound look bullish today. Bullish sound, that is good. When did it look bearish? Let me know, please. Okay, that was a nice one. Cecilia says, my first time in the chat. Okay, yeah, I can see the name is new. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you are going to have a beautiful time in here. Alex says, good morning, Mr. Raba. Chatting presently from Akwa Ibom. I just funded my account against next week. Thank you, Alex. You are in my state. That is good. I stay in Akwa Ibom. So where in Akwa Ibom are you, Alex? And also you're funding your account for next week. That is good. I hope you've gotten proper training. Okay, make sure you get proper training. Don't just go in there, because if you don't do proper training, the market will train you. All right, but with me, yeah, at least you are going to get one or two things out of it, and then helps you to push you in the right direction. Jamal says Jordan is sunny. Yes, yeah, that is good. Good to know. Maybe one of these days Jamal will invite me to Jordan. Let me have a nice time in Jordan. Grace says from Nigeria, Ogun State. Ogun State, that is good. I've been to Ogun State just twice. Back then when I was in school, I was in Ogun State. I went to visit actually in Ogun State. Cecilia says, yes, we are in the going AFCON. That is good. That is good. All right. Now, let me know the pair that I want me to look at. It could be Forex, it could be indices, it could be crypto. But the crypto will be BTC. All right, BTC, because most Forex brokers do not entertain much of those cryptocurrency. I think BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, and the rest that are available. Unless you are a full-time crypto trader, you use the Binance platform for that. Okay. Cecilia says, I'm here to fund my account. Okay, no problem. You don't need to rush. Alex says he lives in Shelter Estate. Alex, you're a big man. You are staying in my neighborhood as well. That is good. Grace says gold, sir, gold. So Alex, which pair are you taking? Which pair do you want me to look at? I think I see gold. Only gold so far. Grace says gold. Who else? I think everybody so far here says gold. Gold. All right. All right. I'm going to look at the gold. Okay, now let's take a look at gold. Gold first. All right. Gold first. Now, this was my. I had this analysis with my VIP student this morning. Okay. So this is what I have on gold. Remember, this week we attempted buying around there, and then price decided to go lower, which is quite good. It's okay. And we took some loss. I don't know if you took that trade. I took a loss here at this level here. Okay, I was expecting this daily to push price, but price came down to the weekly zone. Then from there I took another trade there, so in profit now. Then on the daily we have this support holding price, so I expect price to close above this. We are bullish on the daily, and the destination is this level here at 2054.938. this level, this level here. Can I yeah, this side. This is where I expect price to trade to. Now, will it go straight down there? No, it might give us some difficult time, but it should get there surely. Okay, so once it gets here, if it closes above, we continue pushing. So I think gold is starting its next bullish leg of structure. Okay, So that's what I think on gold now. I'm trying to delete this. Good. So yeah, we have a push up. So where can you join this trade? Where can you join this trade? This trade has moved. Okay, so the best place to join is simply here. You can wait. Oh, I have. Please, if you are in my Telegram, please don't send me message again. Please, please, please. It will interrupt. I connected to my laptop, so it will interrupt my. It will distract my stream. Okay. So when this candle closes, you can simply wait for a pushback into this zone, and then you can look for a trade opportunity in there. That's what I would have done. Okay. Sorry. Oh, a lot of people can see. Okay, cannot see the chat. Cannot see the chat. Sorry, it was on the other scene. Okay, okay. So I'll use the opportunity. Joshua, thank you for sending me that on Telegram. I thought you were disturbing me. Okay, so let's just go back to the chat and then we go back to the analysis. Oh, sorry about that. I can imagine. You can't see what I'm explaining. Okay, I will go back to the chat. But before then, in Kana, in the Kana, Komando says, Hello, Mr. Raba, I'm not yet profitable. My account is under $20. I decided to relax and learn. I'm extremely grateful for your channel, and I know for sure I'm a profitable Forex trader. God bless you. That is a good, positive vibe. Komalo. Yeah, I like the decision you made. Try to learn first before you come in. That is beautiful. Then when you learn to some extent, you can now try to test the waters and then apply what you've learned with very minimal risk factor. That is good. Idowu says pounds USD. UD says, Raba, good morning. Your chart is not showing. No. Okay, yeah, I realized that. It's not. Is it showing now? Can you see my chart now? Let me know. It should be showing now. Okay. Excuse me. Broski says, my big brother, do you also do stocks like Tesla? If you want me to go through Tesla, I can do that, but I don't trade US stock. We simply look at US30. But I think today I will take a look at Tesla. Let me know the stock, maybe 3 stocks you want me to look at. Broski. Tesla is mentioned. Maybe I will add other 2 to it, just to give those that trade stock benefit of doubt and see if our strategy will actually work on stock. Okay. Idowu says, cannot see your chart. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. You will see it now. They say you are still on the news chart. I know. Sorry about that. Taiwo Ajayi says, morning, sir. Good morning to you, Taiwo. Abbas says US30. Abbas Usman says US30. Alex, we can't see your chart, please, sir. Yeah. Can you see it now? I believe you can. Who else here? Broski said, do you trade synthetic also? No. I don't near that. Synthetic. I don't trade too many instruments, okay? But you can do some backtesting on that. I'm not a fan of synthetic. I just feel some group of people put together a simulation of what is actually happening, okay? And I'm not a fan of that. Forex market is good because, number one, aside from the fact that yes, the market might be manipulated, but it's something you can easily explain. We deal with currency every day. People buy, they sell currency, people invest in other countries, and so on. So Forex is good, and the idea that you have a Forex market is also good. But synthetic, what is synthetic? Synthetic in finance is simply back then when I was ready for a professional exam. I don't want to mention the name. Synthetic is more like, is a very big market anyway, like under derivatives. Derivatives is simply used simulating some form of market, and then you trade on them. So, but the synthetic in this case is not that of derivative. If it was derivative, it would have been nice. Okay, derivatives is the highest market in the world because they simulate all the markets. All right, if I can remember my finance very well. So synthetic, no, I don't do that. I don't trade synthetic because I think only one company offers it, Deriv, I believe. So why should I do that? I will not do such a thing. I like it to buy other people offers it. You have a unified market. There are different liquidity provider, so I can't get easily manipulated of my positions. So there will be a lot of manipulation in that synthetic, from my opinion. Abbas says US30. I have heard you, Abbas. US30 it is. You, they say your chart is not showing. Alex says Euro USD. Idowu says we cannot see your chart. Let me know if you can see your chart now. You can see my chart now, okay? Your chart is not showing. That's UD. We have 9630. If I pronounce it well. Good morning, Raba. Your chart is not showing. Maybe that chart is not showing. I brought in new people to put their comment in the chat box. You have to start again, says UD. Abbas Kenny says good morning. Please Gold and DJ. Kenny says your chart is not showing. UD said like the stream, guys. Like the stream, guys. Yes, you can like the stream. Danjuma Abbas says we can't see your chart. Now UD says yes, we can see it. All right, you can see it now. That's all I want to hear. Kenny says the sound is good, but the chart is not showing. I've heard you. Broski says your London strategy and opening price strategy have been a game changer. I have integrated them into one strategy. That is good, and I'm still perfecting it and myself, but it's a great journey. Nvidia Meta. Nvidia. Okay, that is a nice one. You see, trading is about you discovering what works for you, and you can what's it called, you can improvise with them, creating your own unique strategy that suits your personality. Edwin Frank says yes, I can see it. That is good. We can see the chart now. Beautiful. So let's go back to the chart here. So I was saying that last week we attempted this level. Yeah, the price pushed up, came back down, and then on the daily I recommended here for a buy, but price took us out. Okay, it is a normal thing. Losses is part of the game. It depends on how much did you lose. Okay, that is where risk management comes into play. Okay, so that alone should not make you panic. All right, now from the daily you can see this weekly is also the daily. We have a rejection, and then the daily is bullish. All right, if you can close above this level here, if you can close above this level, sorry, if you can close above this level, we'll be targeting this. Okay, so how can you join this trade? So the question is this: in the next 30 something minutes here, that candle should close. So this is my best place to join. All right, this is my best place. The price come back in here, you can trade to the upside. All right, how you manage your trade is now up to you. Okay, it's up to you. So that is gold. I think I can see Euro USD in the chart. Now let me see what people wanted. Gold has been done. Good, has been done. Pounds USD, yes, it always says pounds USD. I will look at it now. Then someone says Tesla. That is Broski. Broski, let me know the stocks you want me to look at. All right. Then US30. So let's look at pounds USD and US30 for now. Then look within that US30, we're going to look at Tesla. So within the VIP, we talked about this, but let's go back to the origin. You can see the weekly, we tap in here. This was a good push. Okay, if you bought from here, that is good. On the daily, we have a fresh level here which you tap from. So for me, if I want to take this for a swing, I will prefer price to trade to this level before moving up. Okay, that's my opinion, because we are beginning to form a bullish daily. All right, bullish daily on this particular pair. Okay, so I'm bullish on the daily time frame. On the weekly, we are not yet bullish. Okay, we are not yet bullish. Price is still technically bearish, but we might turn bullish maybe from next week. But on the daily, we are bullish. So that is why I don't want to look at this level. I would prefer price to come down unless that level on the 4-hour can give us an entry. Okay, so for me, pounds USD used to, most times it can fly from here. The other time within the VIP, I gave a setup for the extreme. The price didn't get to the extreme. Price just respected this and push. So in that note, this will be based on confirmation, and I've not seen the confirmation yet from this level. So we can still open up for this and then push up. So this is what I'm expecting on pounds. Okay, on pounds USD. So pounds USD is bullish on the daily. Okay, we are bullish on the daily, so take note of that. The weekly is still bearish. So what it means is that this is where you take your profit on the daily resistance here. You take your profit around there. Okay, so we have room to trade from this level to this level. So this is an opportunity for us to push price higher. Let's see, let me have a precise. Okay, this was a good level anyway. Just in case, if you are not in the trade, you can wait for a better trade there. Okay, you can wait for a better trade there, or better still, if this candle closes, you can look at this level for scalping or intraday. Okay, the best place for your swing will be from here. Yes. Okay, so one have to watch out very well. We are going to get the confirmation here. If I get it, maybe within the Telegram, I'll just put there that the confirmation for an entry. I can screenshot the chart and then post it there. So make sure you are in the Telegram channel. From that Telegram, I opened the WhatsApp channel recently, and I will encourage you to also join there, because I have some ideas in my head which I will share with you very soon. So join the Telegram and the WhatsApp. Though I've not included the WhatsApp in the description. Okay, so you have to join the Telegram first. From the Telegram, you see the link to the WhatsApp, and you can join. So the next chart we are going to look at is US30. US30. You can see that this opening price is being respected. These lines are very powerful. Okay, but the problem with this US30 is that this will be difficult to trade because of the spike up and down. Okay, you can see price at the point it got here, then push back up, went up here, then came back down, closed. We have indecision in last week. Okay, we don't know if the sellers are in control or the buyers are in control, but what I can see here is that we have a bullish support here which we can trade and continue going higher. Okay, so my worry was that price may decide to come back down here, but since I've gotten a new reversal opening price, we can attempt buying from there. So I don't know if price will continue pushing. So by next week we should have the full direction of the weekly. Those in the VIP, they know what I'm expecting. Okay, so we expect by next week to know if the weekly will be bullish or not. Then let's look at the daily. We use that daily now to frame our trade. So as I said, the daily is bullish already. All right, so a retest of this at the close of this candle, if we can get a pullback, we can take our entry from there. If we can get the pullback here, we take our entry and we push higher. Okay, so that is what I can see here. We are still bullish on US30. From the chart we have Euro USD, so let me go to Euro USD. Let me be sure. From the chart here, pounds, Tesla, I will look at Tesla. Just a minute. US30 now. Okay, Euro USD next. Then after Euro USD, I think I saw some Japanese yen pair. Pounds JPY by Amos Kenny. Okay, so we are looking at Euro USD and Euro USD, then pounds JPY. So looking at the chart here, do we have anything new in the chart? Big thanks, King. Brodsky says, King, am I? We can look for Meta and okay, Nvidia, okay, as well if there's time. Okay, Meta, that is Facebook. Meta, that is Facebook, and Nvidia. Those are technological company, all right, and they will be part of. We are going to use the NASDAQ as the parent or the index, and then we use that as well to look at the individual stock. So since they are technological company, we can look at NASDAQ. After NASDAQ, I will now take a look at Meta, Nvidia, and Tesla. They are all under the technological space rather. And then we have here, how do you mark up using the, I can't see that level here. Is there a video on this? Using the what? Using the slap. I don't know what slap is. Sorry, my neck will just come up. Oh, have you done gold? I've done gold. Ubuntu, I've done gold. So let's look at we have Euro USD and pounds. Okay, then from there we look at Tesla and the rest. By the way, I'm already in a buy trade on Euro USD. I communicated with the VIP there. Okay, let me just take a look at my phone. Okay, so Euro USD, the daily time frame is bullish, so that's why I'm taking the trade. And again, what is happening is, in case you are not in the trade, do not panic. I don't preach panicking, all right? I preach relaxation, patience, and confidence. Confidence in the fact that you know the price one way or the other will still trade back down. Okay, if you are not in the trade, you observe the 4 hours to look for a bullish push. If not, wait for this to close. Price may give us a retest on this fresh level. Yeah, just like the way it did here. You can see bearish, bullish. It came back, traded all the way down, but respected that level, creating another one. So this level might be respected again to continue going higher. So sometimes the way I read the chart, I just read the chart expecting and believing my strategy that price will come to my level. If it does not come to my level, yeah, let it go. It will create a new level for me. All I need to do is observe the chart, okay, for those new levels, which I can join in. So every single month, there's always an opportunity. In fact, even every single week. This week, the only trade we got wrong was the gold trade. We jump in early. Though the buyers is still bullish, but it didn't respect those levels there. Every other one was perfect. Okay. So where can we join on this? This was where I took the trade around there. I was there about. And then if you are not in the trade, when this closes bullish, you can try here. Okay, there will be a new level here which you can try for a trade. Okay, and if for any reason price come back down to this point, it's simply an opportunity to have the best entries. All these lines here are also areas you can take your trade. Okay, now treat this live stream as a way of you learning. Okay, don't, as I keep saying, don't go and bet the farm just because I'm in a trade. Please, this is simply for educational purpose. It's not a financial advice. Okay, it's an educational purpose whereby you can learn from it and improve your trading. Okay, so we have Euro USD bullish. Okay, Euro USD is bullish. 1 minute, please. Okay, so yeah, we are bullish, and where is our destination? Where is our destination? To be on the daily. At least I'll be bullish up until this zone. If price wants to be very aggressive, okay, but it's one at a time. Okay, let's also have a first bullish candle, from there another one, and then we ride it like that. So if you don't get an entry here, don't worry yourself. Next week we'll get one. Okay, you don't need to rush. Calm down. All right. So now how NASDAQ? Yes, let's look at NASDAQ, and from there we look at individual stock. Tesla, Meta, and Nvidia. Yes, I think I'm correct. So NASDAQ, this is bullish. This is bullish. I think the bull market has started though for stock, the bull run. So let's see. The monthly, the weekly is bullish. All right, and now we rejected from this. You can see how powerful these opening prices are. We are not using another block. We are using a single price. There's difference, not a zone. I'm not using a zone like this now. For example, the other block. I'm not using a zone. Okay, we are not using, though I might mark a zone, but that is not what I trade. We are not looking at zone. Zones are confusing. Okay, but what we do here is simply a price. We are looking at the price. You can see it, just a line. Price came in, rejected. Powerful. Go and back test all of this. Rejection from a line. Okay, if you want me to teach you so you don't go through a long process, join the VIP, join my mentorship. Is on the website rabafx.com. Okay, we are looking at the price and we make decision around that price. I first introduced this during the London session trading strategy by looking at the price and telling you the reversal opening price when it closed here before, but there are more to that actually. Okay, there are more to that. So if you want to learn it, join the VIP, join the mentorship, and from next week within the VIP we're doing morning London session and New York session live trading, except maybe something come up and I can't meet up. And this week we did morning session every day. At least did we miss a class? I don't know. I don't have that strong knowledge on that. Okay, so we have that rejection. Price is pushing higher. So right now price is so high that we cannot join in this trade now. It does not make sense. Okay, it doesn't make sense, because where will you place your stop loss if you buy now? Are you going to place it below? Yes, some people can, if your strategy permits you, but I'm not always confident with that from experience. So instead, I will simply wait and hope for a bearish candle to form that will bring price back down. Okay, to this point where I can decide to take a trade. Okay, and the problem here is that we don't have any resistance, so you never can tell when market will simply reverse. You never can tell. We don't have any resistance. So what I have here is a break and retest. Yeah, so I pray price will just come back and retest that region, which is also closer to this. So we all we need to do here, the market is very extremely bullish, but we just need to wait for a bearish day to form. Once that bearish day forms, it gives us a pullback for us to enter the trade at any of those opening prices. Now the thing is, how will you know which opening price we hold? Okay, that I may not share the information here, but you, as you are learning, you can pick it up anyway when you listen to this over and over and over again. So looking at the 4 hour, let's see if we can join the 4 hour. We have this level. So at the close of this, I will attempt, if I'm to buy this, I will attempt it here and also here. So in the next 21 minutes or thereabouts, this should end. So hopefully we can see a push down, but buying at this level, to me, price has already extended. All right, so that's why I'm waiting for a bearish day. The bearish day will give us a nice correction, then we can now focus on a buy. So we'll be monitoring this next week as well. So for now, where prices is not too good. Price has already pushed. You can see push. And I wish I didn't close my trade. There was a trade I took here. I closed that trade because we are at resistance. We are at resistance or thereabouts. I don't recall the trade again. We are at resistance. So I think it was here. It was here. I took the trade there and I took the price of around there. So because I hardly look at this again, I didn't look at this, but you can see continuation push. I would have left some running, typical. So now let's look at Tesla. Oh, I don't know the ticker. What's the ticker of Tesla? Okay, we have Tesla here. It's on NASDAQ. Oh, the problem is the gap. Too many gap. I don't like this. So broski, the problem I have with this is these gaps. Okay, the gaps makes it difficult to read. But notwithstanding, do we have Rwanda? Now let's see. 1 minute please. Let's go to stocks. Do we have Rwanda? Let's type in Tesla. If we have it on Rwanda, Rwanda does not offer stock. I will not use Rwanda because they don't allow Nigerians to use that platform. They are scared that we are going to run them dry. We have plenty profitable traders in Nigeria. Okay, so but anyhow, let's take a look at this. I don't like this. Broski, I think I will pass on this. Okay, I'll pass on this because of the gaps. But if I can see, maybe the monthly may want to come in here. This is the best place to buy on the monthly. And then weekly chart. Tesla has not opening. The gap make it messy. Okay. So we are going to pass on the stocks for now. Maybe off stream, I will look for a better broker that will give us a cleaner chart. Okay, so we are going to come back to that maybe from next week. Broski, do not be angry. All right, so let's look at other pairs, please. Okay. Slab is the rectangle markup instead of the straight line. Okay, so you're asking how do I use, I don't know, how do you mark up using the slab? Okay, just use your magnet tool to pin it at the opening price, then you pull it out, I believe. Okay, so on my own, I think I will look at some. What else do we have? Okay, GJ. We have GJ. So I'm going to look at GJ. Sorry, the Tesla. There were too many breaks on that until I see a cleaner broker so we can analyze properly. Okay. So I think GJ, I gave an illustration on GJ during the week. Was it yesterday or thereabouts? Okay, so let's take a look at the 4-hour first. If you took this trade, remember I said you come down here, buy, and you push up. This is the area where you have resistance, and price played out 100% perfection. Okay, this is what you do. You know when to buy, to sell, and the rest. And I was expecting this to give a reaction, not as big as this anyway, but a reaction. Buy, push up. Okay, so in case you want to continue the buy, you just wait for price to get to this level, this opening price. Yeah. Okay, so let's look at the overall direction and see if there's any change. Okay, be careful. Price has already tapped on the weekly. You can see now. So be careful of this buy that I just showed you here. You have to be careful. So someone like me, since it's Friday, and probably you would have been profitable before Friday, just relax. Let Friday do its thing, and you continue next week. Okay. So looking at this rejection, wait for this rejection to complete. Though the weekly is still bullish, okay, we are still bullish, but potential end of the bullish story may start here. So daily, let's look at the daily the same price. So this market is going down, this market is going down. Okay, so if this closes like this, I can then observe this zone. I know I'm marking the zone. Someone will say, oh, you just talk about not using zone. That zone comprises of two prices. Okay. So wait for this to close, and then from there we can have a shift in directional bias and start trading to the downside. You can see this is a strong level for a sell. Okay, so simply wait. Okay, wait for Friday to close. Wait for Friday to close. Then from Monday we continue. Someone you just remind me, whoever requested this, remind me on Monday, so we can position ourselves to start taking trades on that pair. Keep your this thing coming. Keep it coming. UD says, like the stream, guys, on the stream, and will be recommended to others. Yes, by the algo. Good one. Broski say, I can't be angry at you, my king. You just taught me something even about brokers and gaps. Bless king, we can substitute this stock with oil. Okay, I'll look at oil. Idowu says slab is the okay. I've read that. Okay, we are going to look at you. Alex says USD card, and then oil. USD card and oil. So let's take a look at that. USD card and oil. USD card. I'm already in a sell trade. I'm already in a sell trade. Okay, let's look at it. If you are doubting me, I can put a screenshot anyway. But I don't owe you anything. I don't owe you any explanation. Okay. So, looking at this USD card, from here, we had bullish directional bias. Probably it will end there. Probably. You can see the opening price. Price trading down to the daily. And then we started. So this should continue going. This is my direction. Yeah, my first target will be this. How can you join? How can you join? You can join when this market closes. Have all of this zone, and someone say, you're back in zone again. Opening price. Okay, either the two. That is where I'll be looking for another addition. If you are not in, okay, if you are not in this trade, you can simply start praying like Nigerian Super Eagles. But this time around, we are not praying to qualify. The qualification is in our hands. I don't know what's wrong with my tools. It's not picking. This is want me to break my system. Okay, I don't know what to do. I can't pick that tool. I wanted to. Oh my god. So wait for price come in here. What could cause that? Is it network like this? Okay, and you start trading lower. So this market is a bearish trade. I'm already in the trade already. Okay, I'm already in this trade. So USD card is a sell. It keeps selling till you get to that daily support, which is here. Okay, keep selling till you get here. And which other one did someone mention? Oil. Yes, Broski said we can substitute the Tesla with oil. So let's look at oil. Oil, we looked at it during the mentorship class this morning. So let me take off all of this and look at it again. So first of all, we're looking at the weekly. Oil has been somehow. Let me put it that way. This is a recent rejection. These are powerful levels. Okay, you can see price rejected twice on the weekly. It tells you something. Okay, so let's go to the daily. So this market has already moved. So all we need to do is we wait for a retracement. So I think this level will be responsible for that. Price will push up to this level at least before we can see any push back down. So on the day, on the 4 hour now, if price can be so kind enough to come back into this zone, we can attempt to buy to this level. Okay, this will be on intraday basis. The best swing entry will have been from the low here. All right, always know the kind of entry you are taking. If it is a swing, if it's a position trade, that is, you hold it for month and month and month. If there's intraday simply means you open the trade and close it within the day, but it's longer than scalping. Scalping is in minutes. Intraday is you can hold it, maybe London session, then New York session, you close it. Intraday. But scalping is within minutes, seconds, self. Back, you enter, you go out, you enter, you go out. So you should be able to know what kind of trade are you taking. Okay, like me, if I take a trade, I know that okay, this trade is a swing trade, so I will know how to manage it. I know the risk to take and how to manage it to the destination. Okay, I don't do position trading, but I can end up holding some minor. After taking the profit of the swing, I can leave some position open. Maybe if I see that there's room to push up, but instead I like to re-enter so that to give you a good mental sense. Okay, imagine you holding your profit. Price has gone into the level that you feel is good to take profit, and you don't want to take it. Say you want to turn to a banker, you want to hold it like the bank for another 2 months. You will go crazy when you see that pullback starting. Okay, and you start regretting. You don't need all those things in trading. That is why you have a good plan, a good trade management plan. Take your trades. Then if you feel price will go to the moon, leave some portion. The thing is that when you leave even 2% of your profit that you've made, that 2% can turn into 100% without stress. And those are the ones that you use in keeping the losses away. Because sometimes you might take the trade and you get a loss, it will not even show in your account because you're already in profit. So it's more like an edge. Okay, there are a lot of things you need to know about trade management. Okay, so if market closes and then give us a reason to come back down, at least this level you can devise a way. Okay, when you break and retest, or I'll prefer it to come back down, then you take your trade. So that is that on oil. But once it gets here, okay, take all profit out. Okay, so let's look at the chart again. What do we have? Please, can I see the list of your indicators? Indicators, it's been a long time. The indicators I have are simply indicators that you can see. There's no problem. The first one is watermark effect for this my Raba Fx showing here. That's the first indicator. So it's not useful for trading. It's for branding. Okay, in case you see my chart, someone is using it. You know that is not the owner. Raba Fx. And sometimes if they like the cover here, you know, my color is quite different. My chart color is quite different. Okay, the next one I have is Asian something. Let's take a look at it. Asian session range and week. That is to determine the session breaks, London session, New York session, and the rest. So I hardly use that anymore since I don't trade smart money. Asian, the same thing, Asian range. I think the first one was malfunctioning, so I downloaded the second. Then the last one, what is this one? I don't know. I don't know what I downloaded. Wait. It's more like trading view stuff. Okay, so I don't have any special indicators. Just I can even delete this one. It's of no use. Okay, so that is that. Just those. Okay, this first one is, let's see. Okay, day, week, all of these are simply break. They want to have a break in your chart for Monday, for Tuesday, or for the week. You can use this one, but they are not really useful. Okay, that smart money makes you to start thinking so many things. Oh, weekly break, the daily. You don't need all those things. Okay, make your chart clean and less confusing as possible. All right, so I don't use any of them. I don't use any of them again. Okay, what I simply use, I just draw my line on the opening price and plan my trade around that price. Okay, so that's what I do. USD GA Raba, please go. That is pounds AUD. Okay, then Phyllis in Waki. I think we have new people in the chat now. Philip says AUD NZD. All these kind of pairs that you people are picking. So let's look at pounds GA, pounds AUD. Where pounds AUD? Where is my pounds AUD? Yes, I used to look at it. Let's see that 4 hour again. Price didn't get to this zone. It's okay, it's normal, but we're expecting a bullish push. Okay, so let's, since it's been long I look at this, let's take a look at the monthly first. Okay, clean everything there. We don't have fresh levels, we only have this fresh level here. So if the monthly can tell me what to do, I will simply go to the weekly. So there's no recent rejection that is fresh. So aside from here, bullish, do we have any rejection here? Okay, let's mark this. So this bullish move ended there. Okay, ended there. So the monthly is still technically bearish, so let's keep this level as an entry, this level here, to continue going south, north, south, east, west. Okay, and then where is the destination? Probably we can be looking at this level. You can see how easy I'm just looking at it. Now I can be super wrong, but it's okay. But the convenience of you marking the chart the way I am doing is just so beautiful. Now this level is in line with the weekly and with the monthly, so I will prefer price to trade up to this point. So the weekly is bullish. You ask me, you can see a rejection here is bullish, so we can be trading bullish till we get to this zone, to this level here, or you simply mark this entire zone here, but it's not another block. Okay, don't mark the other block, don't tell anybody. The other block is confusing. I know the ICT trader will finish me. This and that. All right, so the weekly is bullish. This is our destination, because this level here, they are not fresh unless we create a fresh resistance to trade off from. So on the daily, price is coming to the opening price where we can take a trade. So you can look at this level here, just wait for price to come in here for a trade. Okay, and then on the 4 hour, exactly, you can see it lines up here. So this is what I will look at. Like this, and then like that, simple as that. So this is what I can see. We are bullish on the daily, bullish on the weekly, bearish on the monthly. Okay, so we continue the bullish move up until we get to this level, except the market condition changes on the daily, which, okay, if you are buying on this, do you have any? Okay, yes, we have fresh daily here, so be careful when you are pushing up here. Be careful of this daily resistance. Okay, so that is that on GA. The last person said what? GA. Okay, AUD and ZD. So UD says you can use them when you are teaching people smart money. Yes, yeah, I'm just kidding. Okay, but I think I'll focus more on this is my opening price. Wisdom says, boss, I don't really understand when you said a point is freaky fresh. Please guide me on that. Why not come to the mentorship? Wisdom. Fresh simply means we don't have any rejection. Price has not touched that level, so it's fresh. Okay. Wisdom says, boss, I don't really. Okay, repeat. You are repeating the same thing. So that's what it means. Price like this level here, price has not tapped on the opening price, so it's fresh. Like here, it does not tap on it, it's fresh. Okay, so that is what it means, nothing fancy. AUD and ZD. Okay, I can see it. AUD and ZD. So starting from the monthly, these are things I've not really looked at for a long time. Okay, so from what I can see here is we are pushing from this opening price. Price came back down, rejected there, though the month has not ended, so we can't call it rejection yet until it closes. So for now we have, let me mark the lowest one here, and here potential. Okay, 1 minute please. I have this level, price is currently there too, so no wonder it's forming indecision. So overall, where is price? This is the recent push. Okay, the monthly is just consolidating. You can see bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. The next one could be bearish if you follow this pattern here. So let's leave that. Come to the weekly. On the weekly, I think it's bearish until it changes. We are bearish on this weekly. Okay, let's look at daily. Okay, so price is currently in a zone where we can look for trades. So the best thing is we can wait for price to just be patient. Let's wait for it to get here. Then from here you can frame an intraday opportunity. Remember, the weekly and the monthly is just dancing around, so don't get caught up in that. Intraday opportunity for a sell there. So you sell and then take profit, I believe that same day. We have a fresh level formed there, and also we have this. I think price will not, they do not want to get to that place. Okay, let's take a look at this. Oh, this is the 4 hour. No, forget it. Forget this. Forget. So back to the daily. Let's see. Currently we have this daily where price is trading above. Okay, let me see if we can get an entry. If you want my honest opinion, since price already push up from the bullish, we are bullish here. So on the 4 hour you look for buy. I'll prefer to look for my buy at this level. Okay, I prefer to look for a buy, then sell in here. Maybe price can give us a push back down here to buy to this point, something like this. But I don't have huge probability. This is not a high probability setup though, because the reason is this: we are rejecting of this daily. Okay, so price may decide to change its direction from here. So just wait for today to close and see if it is a close above or a close below. If it's a close above, then this level stands to continue pushing price. If it's a close below, you have to be worried here. Okay, simple decision like that. This is how I reason. Okay, it may not be the best, but at least it has helped me a lot. So good. I thank you guys for coming in. Okay, I appreciate it, because it won't be nice I come out this live and nobody is even there to communicate with. So thank you guys. Then secondly, make sure you like this video. If you have not subscribed, kindly do subscribe. Then join the Telegram channel. Because there are some trades there. Once I get the confirmation, I will put it in the Telegram channel, especially from next week where I'll be very free. Today, once I'm done with this, I will head out. There are some things I needed to do. It lingered up to today, which is not that nice. Anyway, so that concludes the end of the stream. If you have any other question, maybe from next week, tomorrow by 10 we might do our live stream on Saturday for weekly analysis. Okay, I will let you guys know when it's ready. On that note, au revoir. Bye.